Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with the August mystery reveal. So let's go ahead and hop on in. We will start with the ultimate kit first. And as always, this is exclusive art that you won't find anywhere else. If you sign up next month, you will get completely different art. If you're looking for this art in particular, I would definitely check out the buy, sell, trade group on Facebook. So let's go ahead and hop on into this month's collection. This is called Forest Friends, and I wanted to do something that was kind of reminiscent of, I think it was in like 2017 or something like that, where there was like a woodland creature collection, but kind of like updated vibes. And I thought this would be great for any outdoor kind of week, but also very anytime collection. And this is a Forest Friends theme, so you have a lot of different animals that you would find in the forest, and I am thoroughly obsessed. This is art by Dusk, and I think that she did such a fantastic job. I love all of the like florals, acorns, and like mushrooms are just so cute. The fox with the flower. I love all of these browns. It's funny because Hannah hates brown kits, and I was like, oh yeah, I don't think you'll like want this one, and I showed her and she's like, wait, no, I want it. It's so stinking pretty. I am so obsessed. I feel like this collection would be so pretty with matte bronze, matte silver, gold, even rose gold would be really pretty with this one. Oh, brown is so pretty. You have the tall box here. You have just some hands holding books and apples, and then you do have the doodles there as well. The foil included with this is rose gold, and this is so pretty. Oh, I am so obsessed with this. I think it just leans into those like warmer tones, and I am in love. This is the gilded format, and y'all, I just think that this is fun for like a really nice little spritz of foil that isn't too like overwhelming, but still has like good vibes. I think this is so pretty together. Oh, it hurts. It hurts. It's so cute. And I especially love the journaling collection, which I'm going to show you in a minute. But let me go ahead and show you the add-ons if you wanted to pick up any of these in shop. So there is the Doodle 1, Doodle 2 label sampler, label 2, which has that gray color. You wanted to make it a little bit cooler. And then the functional, the ombre pattern boxes, background boxes, which again makes it cooler. And then you do have all 6 of the scribbler options as well. And then let's go into the journaling collection here. So let's pop this open. So here's the journaling collection, which is so stinking cute, so adorable. I love seeing these art like pieces blown up. It's just like you get to see the details and admire them. They're just so pretty. So there's page 1, page 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which I accidentally put 1 there, but it's like a huge super big deal. 8, which is the like wooden tile letters. I thought this was perfect for this collection. The Hobo Daily, as well as some sticky notes. I thought those would be really cute in the brown. And then a November, which is cut out if you want to pop that in. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and de-stash. It's just like a cute little extra sticker because this would be perfect for November. So that, my friends, is everything for this month. I hope you love this collection. I think it is so stinking adorable, and I will talk to y'all in my next one.